Assalamualaikum and welcome to Laibay-GlimmerZone. This is me, Laibay-Islam. Hope you all are doing great. So this video is all about editing reels in CapCut. So it's quite easy to edit reels in CapCut. So first of all, you have to search for a background video. So here I'm using Pinterest website for a background video. Okay, so let me know in comments which website you are using for reels background. Okay, so your first step is to import your video. Drag your videos down to start creating your reel. Adjust the time of your video. Now add your content text in your video. Now you have to add your ending proof. Drag it on your video. Adjust your clips. Extract your audio from your PC and adjust it. Okay, so now your video is ready. You can upload this video on Instagram as well as on YouTube Shorts and Facebook Reels. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.